Hello, dear students. Welcome to I-Fal. My name is Teacher Nikki, and I am here to have another video lesson with you. So I am so excited to talk about a new topic for you today that will help you understand and construct better sentences using the English language. I know that these lessons will be very helpful for you to communicate using the English language that are grammatically correct and properly constructed, considering that we will be talking about some grammar topics. So I want you to concentrate on our lesson today, pay attention to our sample sentences, and please practice them very well even after the class. So let's go ahead and start our lesson. Let's go. So, for today's discussion, let's go ahead and talk about the position of adjectives. In fact, adjectives can be categorized based on their position in the sentences, okay? So, one important thing that we have to know or understand is their types based on the position. And we also have to recognize those types when we see them or use them in sentences. So, let's dig deeper on this topic. Now, first one, adjectives before the noun. So an adjective usually comes directly before the noun it describes, okay? Or it describes. So adjective before the noun. Okay, example, old man, green field, cheerful one. Okay, one is a type of pronoun. Pronouns are words that replace nouns, so adjectives can still modify them too. All right, now when adjectives are used before the noun, they are called attributive adjectives. So please remember that if the adjective is before the noun, we call it attributive adjective. Okay, please pay attention to the terms attributive adjective. Okay, next one. So, adjective after the noun. So, there are adjectives that come after the noun, not directly after, but after the nouns. So, an adjective can come after the noun. Like, for example, Jack was old. It looks green. He seems cheerful. So, in the three examples above, the adjectives follow linking verbs such as was, looks, and seems to describe the noun or pronoun. Okay? So, if this situation, when adjectives are used before, okay, or after a linking verb, okay, this is what we call your predicate or predicative adjectives, okay? Once again, after the noun and after your linking verbs, they are called predicative or predicate adjectives, okay? Please pay attention to that and remember it. Next one. So, adjectives that come immediately after the noun. So, sometimes an adjective comes immediately after a noun. For example, the Princess Royal, time immemorial, body beautiful, the best seats available, the worst manners imaginable. So, in this case, when adjectives are used immediately after a noun, they are called post-positive adjectives. So, post-positive adjectives, okay, once again, are adjectives that come directly or immediately after a noun. So it means there are no words in between them, but they come directly after your nouns. Okay? So post positive adjectives are more common with pronouns, in fact. Okay? So indefinite pronouns such as someone, okay, someone interesting, those present, something evil. Okay, so all of these are actually, okay, post positive adjectives. Okay, now for us to better understand more on this one, let's find the adjective and determine the type according to the position based on the sentences that I have here
for you. Okay, let's begin with number one. So, the movie was entertaining and captivating. What are your adjectives here? Okay, if you answered entertaining and captivating, then you are correct. Now, the next question is what type of adjectives are they based on their position? So, these adjectives are predicate or predicative adjectives. Correct. Why? Because they come after your linking verb was. Number two, the small dog barked loudly. So, what is your adjective in this sentence? So, if you answered small, then you are correct. And what type of adjective is it? This is attributive because it comes before the noun it modifies. Very good. Next, the decision is final and irreversible. So in this case, what are your adjectives? If you answered final and irreversible, then you are correct. And now, what type of adjectives are they? So these are your predicate adjective. Very good. Next, the bright stars twinkled. Bright is your adjective and it is attributive adjective. Very good. Next one, she served a delicious meal, dessert, and coffee. What is the adjective? Delicious. And it is attributive adjective. Nice one. And the last one here is the team gave a heartwarming standing ovation to their coach. What is the adjective? Heartwarming. Okay, and this is attributive adjective because it is before the noun it modifies. Very good. So I think based on that exercise, you fully understand different types of our adjectives based on their position. Now, as a summary, I have here the picture, okay, talking about the three types of adjectives based on their position. So again, when the adjectives go before the noun, it is what we call your attributive. When it goes after the noun, okay, and complete a linking verb, all right, then this is a predicative or predicate adjective. And if it goes after, immediately after a noun, usually a pronoun as well, okay, this is post positive. All right. So I want you to please practice more on that and master more on this topic. Okay.
So I hope you find our lesson today very helpful. So as I always say, the secret in making your communication skills in English better is constant practice. So I want you to please keep on practicing all the lessons that we've had in the past and even this present lesson. So I know that you can do it really well and you'll improve yourself eventually. So just keep believing in yourself and practice more, okay? Now, please stay tuned to our more lessons here in I-Fal and please visit our website that I will flash on the next screen. I also encourage you to please subscribe to our classes because we have a lot of amazing teachers that will help you and guide you in improving your English skills. So once again, this is Teacher Nikki. So I'll just see you again on the next classes and video lessons that we're going to have. I know that we will have more amazing lessons in the future. So stay tuned and good luck. Study harder and I'll see you next time. Bye.